Howdy folks, here's just a quick look at my restored Craftsman 109/21-270 lathe. We're running off of a salvaged treadmill motor recovered from somebody's curb. Electronics are in this little box here. Just made a small enclosure to house them. This lathe was a gift actually to me, and came with all the gears. Totally stripped it, repainted it, actually remachined all the ways. Now let's fire it up, see how it does. Okay, just going to engage the feed here. Alright, well, so there's a cut. Still have some issues to work out. Cut quality is not great, but you know, it's a start. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.